Dogs can look into your soul. They know when you're hurting. They know when you're crying. They can feel it. Cats, when they jump up on your lap and they're purring, that's when they're happy, and you can feel that vibration. Res dogs, they're the ones that just, run around town. They're free. They do what they want. They're just dogs that everybody takes care of. They're community dogs. If we can drive through Kenwood without seeing a dog that's not starving, that would be awesome. The Kenwood community, it's, I would say, low income. So it's hard for them to be able to afford to take care of their animals. That's where I would love to step in and say, hey, this is free. We need the free spay and neuter clinics, the free vaccination clinics. And that's what we're working towards, is trying to get a facility where we can do that.